Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Walgreens haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you this deal on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Walgreens. I went to go see. I was watching one of our family members do her deal. Her name is Christian Mitch Saves. Okay, she is a YouTuber, but I'm calling her a family member. Okay, so I went and looked at her video, and she had done this deal. Okay, these are they are 2 for $20, but if you buy 3 of them, they are $10 each. Then also, when you buy 3, you get a $5 register reward back, okay? But y'all, there is more to it that more saves to where this comes out free, okay? Yes, free, and it seemed like a little bit of money maker, okay? So, these are pull-ups, Huggies pull-ups. They are the 3T, 4T, but you can get any one, but I just got these for my grandbaby, okay? Now, she was saying on hers, this yellow, I just tried because I didn't have the all 3 outstanding protection, because I think that's what she got, all 3 of them, but I end up getting the nighttime protection too. So, and it worked for me. So, I'm thinking that she was just looking, at the outstanding protection just to make sure, because you know how Walgreens is. Sometimes Walgreens can be crazy and Walgreens don't give you what you need, because sometimes, the register rewards don't print. Then you got to call that 1-800 number. And sometimes I don't have time for that. It's either give me the points for what you all saying that we're going to get, or I just won't purchase. That's what because I went through one deal to where they were supposed to give me 2 register rewards back. And y'all, I was like, it was my first time doing the, trying to go on there so they can give me the register reward back. So it was my first time doing it. So I did it on the computer, but then some days later, after the deal was over with, they sent me an email back telling me I need to send the ad. Okay, I'm sorry if I misread it, but I just thought they said to send them the receipt. Okay. So I missed out on, I think it was $9. I was so upset. So I said from now on, if my register rewards don't print, I'm not doing that. I'm just going to tell them, you know what? Just refund me my money back. I don't have time for that, because if they can't give me the points of what the register reward is supposed to print out, and if something's wrong with their machine, that's not my fault. Okay? To me, that is their fault. If they've been knowing that the register reward has been down for a while, they should let people know. Okay? Or they need to let, hey, if you're getting register rewards with your coupons, it's not going to work. So at this time. So, they need to call a manager up to go to another register to help that person if they are coming in there. That's how I feel, So I went ahead and purchased all 3 of these, and y'all, let me tell y'all what I got. Okay. Then also, what makes it so better, since I purchased 3 of them, which is a total of $30, I had a $10 off of 30 purchase. Y'all, if y'all heard some humming noise or anything, I'm sorry. There is some people working in the back of where I live, and I do apologize. But the $10 did come off, okay? So then also I had $3 manufacturer coupons that was in the January 3rd Smart Source. So you might want to check that out. And all 3 of those coupons scanned, okay? So let me show you my receipt. There it is. See, there's all the $3. And then I paid $11. Okay, I could have used a little bit of the little points, the My Cash, Walgreens Cash, but I was like, no, because I didn't know if my $5 was going to come off or not, come out, because I've been seeing some people saying that it don't come out. But I earned, look, $7. Y'all, yeah, I know y'all see this negative because I had to take something back because they didn't give me what I need, my registered reward. So I just went ahead and took it back, the purchase. But it put me in a negative. That's fine. I earned $7. So it made my, my closing balance, which I'm fine with that. But look, there is my $5 registered reward I got. Okay? That's my $5 registered reward. Also, this is my birthday month. My birthday just passed. It was on January the 10th. So I got that for my birthday month. And then I got a $3 off for save if I buy some Rolaids, okay? But that is not the other things that I got, okay? I got back, if you go on Ibotta, and I will put my Ibotta information in my description, I got $5 back for that, for the pull-ups. Then also I went on Fetch, and I scanned it for Fetch, and I got 7,400 points back, which was like $7 and something cents points. So y'all, my whole total came out to be free and a moneymaker. Tell me that is not good. So if y'all got these coupons, even if you got the $2 off coupons, okay? Because some regions, they get the $3 off coupon. Some regions get the $2 off coupon. My region gave me both. So I just went ahead and used the $3. You always want to use the one that's got more. And I end up getting all of this free. You can't ask for nothing more but free. If you don't do the apps, you still did good as far as just paying the $11. And everybody's taxes is different. And getting back the $5 register reward. And plus, like I said, I got back, earned this visit. I got $7 back. So the $7, I had a $5 booster also on there. And then I don't know where the $2 might have came from my birthday month. I'm thinking they gave me $2 for that. 2,000 points for that, I guess. Went ahead and did that. But for my birthday month, that's what I'm thinking that they must have added, because you get 10% of Walgreens cash reward each time I shop during the month of January. So that's probably what that is for. All right, y'all. So this right here is my Walgreens haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Channel.